It starts with a single flicker, a pinprick of gold against the deep blue of twilight, then another and another, until a wave of liquid light washes over the entire city, and you realize you're standing in the middle of a waking dream. This isn't just a city decorated for the holidays. This is a city reborn in light. Madrid is known for its Christmas lights, and in fact, people from all over Spain come to the city just at Christmas time to see the Christmas lights. We're walking around and we're enjoying all of the different Christmas lights that you can see all over the place. And it's something that you don't see at any other time of year. So definitely, if you're in the mood to do something Christmassy, come to Madrid.
Madrid at Christmas never snows. Yet the lights fall soft as white.
We see cascades of gold dripping from historic buildings, entire avenues transformed into celestial pathways, and quiet corners where the light feels like a whispered secret. Nearly 13 million points of light, each one a tiny star, brought down to earth to create something truly magical. This is Madrid at Christmas. And it's a spectacle you don't just see, you feel. That wasn't a dream sequence. That was Madrid, just moments after 6 p.m. on a late November evening. Every year, this city performs an incredible act of transformation. It sheds its daytime skin and cloaks itself in a luminous, glittering dreamscape that has to be seen to be believed. We're talking about nearly 13 million energy-efficient LED bulbs lighting up over 240 locations, turning the Spanish capital into one of the most dazzlingly decorated cities in all of Europe. But this isn't just a tour of city lights, it's a visual story. It's a journey to capture how this monumental display of light, from the grand boulevards to the quietest, most festive corners, creates an atmosphere of pure, unadulterated magic. We're going to follow that warm glow, starting from the very epicenter of the celebration and venturing into hidden pockets of wonder. I want to find that feeling, that intangible Christmas spirit that settles over the city when the sun goes down. So come with me as we chase the light and explore the living dreamscape of Madrid at Christmas. Every story has a beginning. And for Madrid's Christmas, it starts right here, at the iconic Plaza de Cibeles. This is the official starting point. On November 22, 2025, the entire city held its breath for the grand switch-on ceremony. Now, while the lights across the city turn on at 6 p.m. daily, the main event here kicks off at 7:30 p.m. Imagine standing before the magnificent Cibeles Palace, its fairy tale architecture suddenly bathed in a symphony of light. This year, the facade even became a canvas for stunning high-tech video mapping show, a story told in light and projection that rippled across the stone. This is where Madrid's festive heart starts beating, sending veins of light pulsing through the streets. It's a moment of collective joy, a city-wide gasp of wonder as the magic is officially ignited. From this grand heart, we follow the main artery, the spectacular Gran Vía known as Madrid's Broadway. This street is always a show, but during Christmas, it's on a completely other level. The avant-garde light installations are breathtaking. For 2025, designers have created incredible arches inspired by the molecular structure of real snowflakes, using over 300,000 LEDs that look like a blizzard of stars frozen in midair. Walking down Gran Vía at night is an immersive experience. The warm golden tones of the lights reflect off the windows of the grand theaters and the sleek black surfaces of city cabs, creating a seemingly endless tunnel of light. You're not just observing the display, you're in it, carried along by a current of people, all with their faces turned upwards, mesmerized. The energy is electric, a mix of holiday cheer and urban dynamism. You can hear the distant melodies of a street musician, the murmurs of conversations in a dozen languages, and the collective hum of a city fully alive and celebrating. This isn't just an illumination. It's the city's vibrant pulse made visible. When it comes to Christmas craziness, Times Square ain't got nothing on Gran Vía.
Chocolate thick at centimeters, strangers sharing jokes. Children's eyes are lanterns in the winter's gentle flow, and statues on the rooftops shake off a coat of snow. Madrid, Madrid, where the lights fall like a choir, where the streets burn bright with laughter.
If Gran Vía is the city's glittering artery, then the Puerta del Sol is its beating heart. This is the epicenter of Spanish celebration, the famous square where the country gathers to ring in the new year. At Christmas, it's home to a giant decorative Christmas tree, a magnificent cone of light that towers over bustling crowds, serving as a festive beacon and as a popular meeting point for friends and family.
My Uncle Pepe, he really loved his sherry.
The atmosphere here is pure, festive energy. The air is thick with the scent of roasting chestnuts from street vendors, the sound of children laughing, and the jingle of festive music. It feels like the entire city has converged here just to share in the joy. This is where the grand public spectacle of Madrid's Christmas feels most concentrated. A whirlwind of light, sound, and communal spirit that's impossible not to get swept.
A sheltered place to stand. You feel the whole city breathing as it warms your open hand. Madrid, Madrid, Madrid. Your bright constellations sing from Sol to La Almudena. Every stone knows what we bring. Madrid, mi alma, you keep the darkness coy. Tonight the stars fall closer to crown a world in joy. Madrid, hope returning. Madrid, a place like home. The sky above burns candle bright. We're never quite alone.
But just a short walk from the exhilarating chaos of Seoul, the atmosphere shifts dramatically as we step into the historic Plaza Mayor. Here, the overwhelming spectacle gives way to a more intimate, traditional magic. The square hosts the city's most famous Christmas market, a tradition that dates back over a century, opening its stalls in late November. The open space is filled with 104 charming red cabins, each one a little treasure trove of festive goods.
All over Spain at this time of year, you find Christmas markets where they're selling all kinds of stuff, gifts, decorations, you name it, they've got it. Here in the Plaza Mayor in the center of Madrid is one of the easiest to find Christmas markets, and it's pretty big. It's kind of fun, so let's just look around and enjoy ourselves.
The lighting here is festive, softer, warmer. The ornate balconies of the plaza are adorned with elegant candle-shaped lights that cast a gentle glow over the scene below. You can wander through the stalls, discovering handcrafted nativity scene figures, or belenes, traditional Spanish Christmas decorations, and all sorts of prank gifts for Spain's version of April Fool's Day, the Day of the Holy Innocents. This is where you find the quieter, more nostalgic side of Madrid's Christmas. It's the magic of tradition, of craftsmanship, and of finding that perfect small ornament that will carry the memory of this place back home with you. The shift from the dazzling modernity of Gran Vía to the historic charm of Plaza Mayor shows the incredible depth and variety of Madrid's festive Christmas spirit.
The streets glow warm as embers, the night a velvet cloak, chocolate thick at Santa Ynez, strangers sharing jokes. Children's eyes are lanterns in the winter's gentle flow, and statues on the rooftops shake off a coat of snow. Madrid, Madrid, where the lights fall like a choir, where the streets burn bright with
Our journey through Madrid Christmas Lights comes to an end, but the feeling it leaves behind is unforgettable. We started at the heart of the celebration in the Plaza de Cibeles. We were swept away by the river of light on Gran Vía, and we found tradition and warmth in the bustling Plaza Mayor Market. We saw the city's chic and elegant side, and finally, we stepped in a true enchanted forest. This city proves that holiday lighting can be more than just a decoration. It's a form of storytelling, an act of city-wide transformation that touches virtually every corner, from the grandest adventures to the most peaceful gardens. These nearly 13 million lights do more than just illuminate the streets. They create a shared atmosphere of wonder, joy, and pure magic that connects everyone who experiences it. You see with your eyes. It's an experience you feel in your soul. It's the warmth of the lights on a cold night, the collective cheer of the crowd, and the quiet awe of seeing nature and technology merge into something beautiful. It is, without a doubt, pure magic. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. We wish you all out there a wonderful and bright holiday season. Feliz Navidad y prospero año felicidad. Until next time.